If you own a home in Toronto, the rules about what you are allowed to build on your property have changed, and a lot of homeowners still do not know it. This is not a minor bylaw footnote. These changes affect what is possible on a residential lot right now. In this video, we break down exactly what changed, where in Toronto it applies, what it means for homeowners thinking about an addition or a secondary unit, and why it matters even if you have no plans to add units at all. Here is the short version. Since 2023, Toronto allows up to 4 residential units, as of right, on most residential lots across the city. As of right means no special permission or rezoning application is needed. If your lot is zoned residential, a duplex, triplex, or fourplex is now a permitted use, the same way a single-family home always was. In June of 2025, Council went further. In Toronto and East York, roughly the area south of Eglinton from Roncesvalles to the beaches, plus part of Ward 23 in Scarborough North, homeowners can now build up to 6 units as of right. That covers neighborhoods like Cabbagetown, Leslieville, Riverdale, Parkdale, Liberty Village, and the Annex. On top of that, parking minimums have been removed citywide, so you are not required to provide parking spots just to add units. Development charges, which can be a significant cost on their own, are waived on projects up to 6 units. 6plexes can go up to 4 stories, just over 10 meters in height, with a cap on bedrooms per unit. Maybe you have no interest in turning your house into a 4plex. Here is why this still matters. The same flexibility that allows multiplexes also makes it easier to add a basement unit, a laneway suite, or a secondary unit for a family member. A project that used to require a minor variance and a committee hearing might now fit within what is already permitted on your lot. These changes affect property value, what a renovation can realistically include, and how a project gets approved. As a design-build company based in Toronto, part of what we do is help homeowners understand what is actually possible on their property before any design work starts. If you are thinking about an addition, a secondary unit, or just want to know what your property is zoned for now, get in touch.